This is an example of a phrase written by different Ukrainians, but let's go further. Consider the following letter. To make this video more valuable for you, I asked Ukrainians of different ages to write the letter by hand and send me photos so that I can show you the variety of handwriting styles in Ukrainian. I'll explain some nuances you should know about Ukrainian handwriting while you watch me write this letter in real time, and then I'll show you photos of the same letter from other Ukrainians. It's worth pointing out that in handwriting, letters are usually connected. Every Ukrainian is taught to connect letters, but it has one main disadvantage. Connecting all the letters may make words harder to read, especially with letters like sh, I, l, I that create many vertical lines. That's why it's so common among Ukrainians not to connect all the letters, to make it easier to read. Sometimes letters are not connected at all. But technology has also influenced this. It made letters look more like printed letters. You can notice it by looking at my handwriting style that we've developed in school. You just have to keep one thing in your mind. If the spacing between words is too wide, the text can look weird and clumsy. If it is a word, keep letters close. If possible, keep lines of letters parallel to each other, and of the same size if it is not a capital letter. But be sure, even native Ukrainians often fail at doing it perfect. But is there the most beautiful cursive style? Not really, it all depends on your personal preference. In fact, according to most Ukrainians, the best cursive would probably look something like this. However, the main idea of this video is to help you develop your own writing style by learning from the examples shown here. And it takes a decent amount of time and hard work to develop the perfect handwriting style.